50 English Literature MCQs. Question number 1. Who is called the father of English poetry? Correct option is B. Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 2. Which poem is considered the first great work of English literature? Correct option is A. Beowulf. Question number 3. Who introduced the sonnet form into English literature? Correct option is C. Henry Howard, Earl of Surrey. Question number 4. The Elizabethan Age is often called the Age of. Correct option is C. Shakespeare. Question number 5. The Fairy Queen was written by. Correct option is A. Edmund Spenser. Question number 6. Which work is considered the first English tragedy? Correct option is B. Gorboduc. Question number 7. Which university group did Marlowe, Greene, and Lilly belong to? Correct option is B. The University of Wits. Question number 8. Who is known as the Bard of Avon? Correct option is B. William Shakespeare. Question number 9. Which play is the first English comedy? Correct option is B. Ralph Roister Doister. Question number 10. Which of Shakespeare's plays is considered his first tragedy? Correct option is B. Titus Andronicus. Question number 11. Paradise Lost is written in which verse form? Correct option is C. Blank verse. Question number 12. Which age is called the Age of Dryden? Correct option is B. Restoration Age. Question number 13. All for Love is a play by. Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 14. The Tatler and the Spectator were founded by. Correct option is A. Steele and Addison. Question number 15. Who is known as the father of English novel? Correct option is A. Daniel Defoe. Question number 16. Familia was written by. Correct option is B. Samuel Richardson. Question number 17. Tom Jones is a novel by. Correct option is A. Henry Fielding. Question number 18. Who is called the father of English criticism? Correct option is B. John Dryden. Question number 19. Rape of the Lock is an example of. Correct option is B. Mark Epic. Question number 20. A dictionary of the English language was compiled by. Correct option is A. Samuel Johnson. Question number 21. Elegy written in a country churchyard was written by. Correct option is A. Thomas Gray. Question number 22. The Romantic movement began with the publication of. Correct option is B. Lyrical ballads. Question number 23. Who wrote Kubla Khan? Correct option is B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 24. She Walks in Beauty Like the Night is written by. Correct option is C. Lord Byron. Question number 25. Prometheus Unbound is written by. Correct option is B. Percy Shelley. Question number 26. Ode on a Grecian Urn is written by. Correct option is A. John Keats. Question number 27. Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? Correct option is B. Jane Austen. Question number 28. Which Bronte sister wrote Jane Eyre? Correct option is A. Charlotte Bronte. Question number 29. Wuthering Heights is written by. Correct option is A. Emily Bronte. Question number 30. Who wrote The Mill on the Floss? Correct option is B. George Eliot. Question number 31. David Copperfield is a novel by. Correct option is A. Charles Dickens. Question number 32. Who wrote Vanity Fair? Correct option is A. William Thackeray. Question number 33. Far from the Madding Crowd was written by. Correct option is B. Thomas Hardy. Question number 34. In Memoriam AHH was composed by. Correct option is B. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Question number 35. Dover Beach is a poem by. Correct option is A. Matthew Arnold. Question number 36. The Blessed Damozel is written by. Correct option is B. Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Question number 37. Goblin Market is a poem by. Correct option is B. Christina Rossetti. Question number 38. Who coined the phrase stream of consciousness and literature? Correct option is B. William James. Question number 39. The Waste Land was published in. Correct option is B. 1922. Question number 40. To the Lighthouse was written by. Correct option is A. Virginia Woolf. Question number 41. A Passage to India is by. Correct option is A. E. M. Forster. Question number 42. Sons and Lovers was written by. Correct option is B. D. H. Lawrence. Question number 43. Lord of the Flies is a novel by. Correct option is B. William Golding. Question number 44. Brave New World is a work of. Correct option is A. Aldous Huxley. Question number 45. Animal Farm is an allegory of. Correct option is B. The Russian Revolution. Question number 46. Who wrote Waiting for Godot? Correct option is B. Samuel Beckett. Question number 47. Murder in the Cathedral is by. Correct option is B. T. S. Eliot. Question number 48. Things Fall Apart was written by. Correct option is B. Chinua Achebe. Question number 49. The Old Man and the Sea is a novella by. Correct option is B. Ernest Hemingway. Question number 50. The Sound and the Fury is a novel by. Correct option is A. William Faulkner.